In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule emails in HubSpot CRM in the easiest way possible. Scheduling emails can be a great way to ensure your communications land at the perfect time, maximizing their effectiveness whether for marketing campaigns, follow-ups, or routine updates. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to head over to the HubSpot homepage. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice the Login button. Go ahead and click on it to access your account. If you aren't already logged in, enter your credentials to proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot Home dashboard, from where you can access a variety of tools and functionalities offered by HubSpot. Now, to schedule an email, you'll start by navigating to the Marketing section. This is where you manage all things related to your marketing efforts within HubSpot. Clicking on the Marketing tab will give you several options, and here you'll select the Email tab. The email tool in HubSpot allows you to manage, create, and send emails efficiently, tailoring your message to the right audience at the right time. After that, you'll want to click on Edit to begin crafting your email. This is where you can input the content of your email, such as subject lines, attachments, and the main body of your message. Think about the key information that you want to convey, and make sure your message is clear and concise. HubSpot's email editor is quite user-friendly, so whether you're adding text, graphics, or personalized elements, it's a seamless process. Once you've finalized the content of your email, it's time to schedule it. You'll do this by clicking on the Send or Schedule button. This option lets you determine when your email will be sent. It's important to consider the timing of your emails to ensure they reach your recipients at an optimum time, increasing the chances of your email being opened and read. Scheduling emails ahead of time is a fantastic way to manage your communications effectively. You can plan your content calendar in advance, making sure that each message aligns with your broader goals. Before finalizing the schedule, review everything to avoid any errors or last-minute changes. And there you have it. You've successfully scheduled an email in HubSpot CRM. By following these steps, you can streamline your emailing process, ensuring timeliness and relevancy in your communications. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful for boosting your productivity with HubSpot. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out or leave a comment below. See you in the next video.